In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a background image in Clickfunnel. Let's start from the very beginning inside your Clickfunnel account. First, navigate to the funnel that contains the page you want to edit. Once you've located that funnel, open the specific page where you want to add or change the background image. Make sure you open it in the page editor so you can see all the editing tools and visual sections of your layout. Now look for the section where you want the new background image to appear. As you move your mouse around the page, you'll notice different colored borders highlighting various elements. Hover over the section until you see a green border around it. That green outline tells you that you're targeting the entire section, not just a single row or element. When you see that green border, go to the top right corner of the section and click the small gear icon. This will open the section settings panel on the side of your screen. Inside the section settings, you'll see a variety of options for adjusting how that section looks and behaves. Here, you want to find the option labeled Background. Click on Background to expand it. This will open up all of the controls related to the section's background, including color, images, and other visual settings. Think of this as your main control center for how the section's backdrop will appear to your visitors. Within the background settings, you now have a couple of choices. You can upload a brand new image directly from your device, or you can select an image that you've already uploaded to your image assets in your workspace. If you already have branded graphics, product shots, or hero images saved, reusing those assets can help keep your design consistent. Once you've chosen an image, you can refine how it behaves visually. Use the image fit options to control how it fills the section. For example, you might set it to cover the section so it fills the entire area, or contain, so the whole image is visible without cropping. You can also stretch it, depending on your design needs. If your text becomes hard to read, consider adding an overlay color. A darker or lighter overlay can make headlines and buttons stand out more clearly. You can also adjust the transparency to fine-tune how strong or subtle the image appears behind your content. When you're happy with how everything looks, make sure you finalize your work by clicking Update or Save. This step applies all of your background changes to the section so they'll be visible on the live version of your page.